Hi there, and congratulations on taking the first step toward your future by applying to UMass Global. We're excited to help you on your journey, and we want to make sure your application process goes as smoothly as possible. To move forward in the admissions process, we need to make sure we have all your required documents. The best way to check what's still needed is by logging into your application portal at apply.umassglobal.edu. Once you sign in, you will see a checklist of required documents with a red X next to anything outstanding. Please note that after you submit your application, the checklist will appear within 24 hours, but processing of submitted documents will take up to 3 business days. Here's a quick rundown of what we need to process your application. For undergraduate applicants, we require official transcripts from all colleges and universities you've attended. If you haven't completed 12 or more transferable credits or your GPA is below 2.0, you'll also need to provide evidence of high school completion. This can include a high school diploma, GED, state equivalency, or approved international credential. For graduate applicants, we need official transcripts from the institution where you earned your highest graduate degree. You should also submit transcripts from any regionally accredited schools where you've taken graduate level or post-baccalaureate coursework you'd like considered for transfer credit or to help meet GPA requirements. And here's an important note. Any graduate level courses taken within the last 8 years must be submitted, even if you're not requesting transfer credit. This helps ensure we have a complete and up-to-date picture of your academic history. To request transcripts, go to each prior institution's website and search for their transcript request link. We recommend choosing electronic delivery for the quickest and most secure method. Electronic transcripts should be sent directly from each prior institution to apply at umassglobal.edu. If electronic delivery is not available, request that they be mailed to University of Massachusetts Global, Attention Office of Admission. Please allow 10 business days for us to receive transcripts delivered by mail. We also accept official transcripts sent directly from the issuing institution via email to apply@umassglobal.edu. Some programs may have additional requirements like essays or proof of prerequisite coursework completion. You can find those details in our catalog at catalog.umassglobal.edu, but anything outstanding would also be listed in the application portal. Once we've received all required documents, we'll review your application and notify you of our admission decision by email. If you have any questions, the quickest way to get answers is by reaching out to your enrollment coach at 800-746-0082. We know that going back to school is a big decision, and we're thrilled that you've chosen UMass Global. We can't wait to welcome you to our student community. See you soon!